I'm often asked what are my daily supplements that I take every day to have healthy glowing skin. So I'm going to share, some of my regulars and some of the ones that I take here and there to help depending on the season and what's going on with my own, diet and stress and everything else that life has to offer. So some of my daily essentials that I do take every day are a high DHA fish oil supplement. So this is really important to me in terms of helping with my skin cells, helping with the outer barrier of our cells in general, which is a phospholipid bilayer, and it's very much reliant on having enough of these anti-inflammatory omega-3s. So I like to take my fish oil with a higher DHA concentration because as humans we tend to be lower in that DHA and very deficient. So this is really important for nerve conduction as well, but I just do notice that the DHA really has a huge impact on my skin to have healthy glowing skin, helps to maintain the moisture in my skin as well, especially in our cold Canadian winters here. So that's, number one, I don't miss a day of my fish oil, as well as magnesium. So because of, all of my EMF exposure in my environment, which most people do have, and lack of magnesium in foods, I have a fairly healthy diet, but I'm not convinced that I'm always getting as much magnesium as what I need on a daily basis from our modern farming and from our foods. So I do take my magnesium, and I've actually doubled my dosage in the last 6 months or so to make sure that I'm getting enough, as well as vitamin D. So going into, certainly in the summer I have my natural sunlight exposure, but going into the colder winter months here in Canada, I ensure that I'm taking an absorbable form of vitamin D3 to just, cover up the bases to make sure that my levels are where they should be. And I always do check my blood work so that I know how to gauge how much to be taking every day. And of course, I love taking my fruits and veggies in a capsule form. So this is a whole food multivitamin. That's something that I do for the extra antioxidants. I'm pretty good with the diet, but I'm not always 100% in terms of the fruits and vegetables, and I don't eat that much fruit. So just for my own peace of mind, I do take that extra, little bit of those antioxidants, or a lot, in, of course, these concentrated fruits and veggies as a whole food multivitamin. So I promise we'll share links below so that, if you're curious what I'm taking, you'll see that below. So some of the other extras that I take depending on the season and what's happening with my skin, and most times I don't have any complaints, and I think that's because I'm very regular with, what I do in terms of my diet and my supplements. So, I'm glad about that, but I do take the zinc, and the zinc does have the quercetin, so great for the immune system, but we know that we need to have that zinc in terms of having healthy collagen levels. Now, another thing that I do is an organic vitamin C. Again, these are all whole food supplements that I take. I don't take anything that has the fillers or flow agents and magnesium stearate and any of those things that you shouldn't be ingesting, in my opinion, in your vitamin supplements. And of course, all of these nutrients come from those whole food states, so they're not synthetically made. I also do take a hair, skin, and nails formulation, which also has MSM, lysine, which is an amino acid really important for our collagen cross-linking, and horsetail, which naturally contains silica, and silica is really important for healthy hair and nails. So in terms of our keratin, this is very supportive for our keratin, but not to mention it helps with the collagen as well. Now, taking a collagen supplement is something else that is fantastic, and soon to be taking, something in terms of collagen, but I promise I will let you know more about that in the very near future. So today I shared with you my supplement routine, what I take for having healthy and glowing skin. I'd love to hear from you. So what are you taking? What are you doing? What do you have questions about? Drop that in the comment section below, and be sure to share this video. I love all the thumbs up that you give me, and if you're new to my channel, welcome in. I hope that you'll subscribe, click that bell to turn on the notifications. Everybody has a calling in life, and mine is to empower you to live a healthy lifestyle, and of course to do it naturally. Thanks for watching.